At Xcube Labs, the hybrid life seamlessly blends flexibility with structure, significantly boosting both our daily routines and productivity. It allows us to design our day around when we feel the most energetic and creative, whether that's early mornings or late nights, right from the comfort of our homes. At the same time, having the option to collaborate in office means that we can engage directly with our teams when it's most beneficial. This balance really empowers us to deliver our best work, maintaining high levels of sharp focus throughout the day. So one of my favorite strategies for ensuring smooth teamwork at Xcube Labs, regardless of the location, is our daily catch-up calls and combined with our internal messaging services. These daily calls are invaluable for aligning our goals, discussing progress, and addressing any immediate questions or concerns. Meanwhile, messaging services keeps us connected throughout the day for quick updates. This approach keeps our team tightly knit and highly responsive, fostering a collaborative atmosphere that bridges the gap between remote and in-office work seamlessly. So hybrid work at Xcube Labs offers the ultimate flexibility, which is key to maintaining a healthy work-life balance and staying energized. By allowing us to work from home, I can manage personal responsibilities or take breaks whenever needed without compromising productivity. On days when I'm in the office, the face-to-face interactions boost my energy and creativity. This adaptability in our work environment not only keeps us mentally but physically fresh and also enhances our overall job satisfaction and performance. So adjusting to hybrid work definitely presented its challenges, especially in terms of setting clear boundaries between work and home life. To overcome this, I established a dedicated workspace and a routine that mimicked going to an office, which really helped in mentally separating work hours from personal time. Regular communication with my team also played a crucial role. We maintained sure that to keep each other updated about our schedules and availability, which helped in managing expectations and maintaining a smooth workflow, ensuring that everyone stayed connected and productive, of course. So last quarter, we launched a major product marketing campaign that required coordination across several departments, including design, content, and analytics. Using our hybrid work model, the creative team worked from home, where they could focus deeply on design and content production without office distractions. Meanwhile, the analytics and strategy teams came to the office for real-time collaboration and data analysis. The flexibility to choose their work environment allowed each team member to operate in their optimal settings. This resulted in highly synchronized launch with an innovative content and precise targeting, significantly boosting our engagement rates across platforms. The campaign not only achieved but exceeded our performance goals, showcasing how our hybrid approach can drive outstanding results in complex marketing initiatives.